get started on using Homesnap on the tablet, or rather iPad, an Apple product, first step is to go and install the app. Sorry, I was looking for the App Store. Go to the App Store and you search for Homesnap. Mine is already installed on this particular device, but I would do Homesnap Pro because that's what you as a real estate agent will have access to, and you'll be able to log in with your MLS. So there it is. I'm going to just click open. This is the layout of so I'm going to go to settings. Looks like I need to get the whole experience of the location. I'm going to turn on location and I'm coming back to the device. This is what it provides to you based on where I am located. This is what is close by to me. At the bottom you have Homes, Pro, and Agent, similar to the Android. Here's where you're able to see your information, invite your clients. Here under More, you're able to change your image, take advantage of the calculators, and share your profile as well. These are the people who have been checking me out. If I pay extra, here I'm just going to hit allow for now. If I pay extra, I'm able to see who those individuals are. Going back, if you have listings, they will show up there. And always when you're using the device, let's make sure that you are looking at Homesnap Pro. So let's click on this one, which has a contract on the tablet, iPad, sorry, I'm seeing how much it's listed for. I can immediately send a message there to the listing agent, and you also get to see the buyer's agent as well. I'm able to share it as well. So this is where if you wanted to share it to any other device, any other location like Facebook, you're able to share this particular property. So Facebook will open up and then I'm able to say something about that particular property. If I star, I'll get notification. It will be saved. I'm scrolling down or up. I'm scrolling up. The listing summary. Anytime you see Pro, that's only for us. The pending information. The compensation. Showing instructions and the type of loan. Listing details. This is where it shows you the information about the property. Scrolling up. Utilities. If it has a condo association, it would be displayed there. Again, almost everything that you can find from the MLS. Schools, whatever website they use is presented there. If you have a client that gave you information about their work location, you're able to click there. Property lines, this one when I go visit the property, if I open the map and I am there, then it will show me the property boundaries. I clicked on Street View and I can see some of the information from Google Earth as well. So I'm able to see where they are. Map. Commute. Let's just click on it for you to see Again, this is where I would set where I want to commute from, how far it is. It's about 19 minutes right now, and this is for the client whom you're helping, who has told you how far they want to be. It's about 20 minutes from their job. Any similar properties will be presented here, recent sales, and who has the listing. As I keep scrolling down, just to give you another view. If I want to send this to my client, I click on messages at the bottom. I'm able to click the client that I want to send it to, type in a message, and they have it. I can flag it for me to be notified of any changes to the price. And then you have the option at the very top to schedule a showing, send a CMA, and set a safety reminder. It's a quick overview about Homesnap.